Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dough blender is probably one of the most underrated tools in any baker's arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home baking enthusiast, achieving that perfect flaky crust or evenly mixed dough can be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dough and pastry blenders, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can elevate your baking game. Number 5. Spring Chef Dough Blender, Professional Pastry Cutter. This dough blender is a solid tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar. It's perfect for making fresh, homemade baked goods. The sturdy and durable metal blades are twice as thick as others. Achieve better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. This tool helps you make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, and pastries. It works quickly to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour. The dough blender cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have tool for bakers. It is much more effective and easier to use than a fork or potato masher. You will get better results. Prevents sore and tired hands and wrists with the pressure-absorbing handle. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic and easier to use for those with arthritis. It makes the whole process much easier. This tool can chop fruit, soft vegetables, or nuts. You can also mash up baby food, make salsa, guacamole, chopped eggs for egg salad, and muffin topping. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. What we like? This dough blender features heavy-duty metal blades, perfect for cutting through cold butter with ease. Its comfortable soft grip handle prevents hand fatigue, making baking a breeze. If you're looking for a tool that combines durability and comfort, this is the one for you. What people say? This is of excellent quality and much more heavy-duty than the one I had for over 20 years. The handle is round and large enough to get a good grip. The steel cutting part is very strong and easy to clean. The heavy-duty stainless steel blades are super sharp and cut through cold butter like a dream. No more mushy mess or struggling with two knives. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Dough Blender, Stainless Steel. Tired of sticky hands and long baking hours? This dough blender is designed to make mixing ingredients quicker. Impress everyone with the fluffiest biscuits and softest bread using it. Forget sore hands and wrists. This tool has an anti-slip, rubber handle for a soft grip. It's perfect for all hand sizes and easy to use, even for those with arthritis. You can blend dough like a pro without getting tired. This pastry cutter is made of top-quality stainless steel, rust and corrosion resistant. The heavy-duty but lightweight cutter is built to last. It will be your perfect baking tool for years to come. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply toss this food masher into the dishwasher. This medium-sized cutter will be one of your favorite kitchen essentials. Don't limit yourself to just cutting butter. Use it as an avocado masher or for crumbling cookies. It also works great for chopping fruits, vegetables, or nuts. You can even use it to smash ground beef. What we like? With its 5 thick stainless steel blades, this dough blender makes blending ingredients quicker. The anti-slip rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, and cleanup is a breeze. If you are a baker who values efficiency and ease of use, you'll love this. What people say? Works well. Very durable. Beautifully made, well constructed, and comfortable to use. I recommend the larger size as it is perfect even for my small hand. This actually a very nicely made blender cutter. It seems to be all one piece, not large, cumbersome, easy to control, should be easy to clean, smooth and flowing. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen 13-inch Danish Dough Whisk, 2-pack. This Danish dough whisk is a must-have for anyone who loves baking. It helps you mix ingredients quickly without a heavy-duty mixer. The high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel ring is durable enough to stir and remove clumps. Aerate high-moisture doughs effortlessly with this tool. The 3-loop design can cut through and combine ingredients without overmixing. It's great for scraping dough from the bowl and getting sticky dough off easily. Mix thick dough without hand fatigue, thanks to the lightweight design. The long ergonomic wooden handle makes mixing easy and comfortable. Unlike a wooden spoon, it helps you get that smooth texture much quicker. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dough hook. The flexible wire construction prevents clumps from getting stuck. Simply rinse it under water and use your fingers or a brush to clean it. We are proud of this bread dough whisk and back it with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, just contact us, and we will make it right. Mix it up with the magic of this Danish whisk. What we like. This Danish dough whisk is designed to mix dough and batter effortlessly. Its easy-to-hold design prevents hand fatigue, and cleanup is a breeze. If you like to make sourdough or need to mix light and stiff dough, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It has a comfortable handle and easy to grip. The tool is quite sturdy and I love the wood handle allowing me to get a good grip as I'm mixing. This one is both. I feel like I will get a lot of use making artisan bread. The wood handle is smooth and offers a good grip. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Dough Blender and Cutter. This tool makes blending ingredients a breeze. The stainless steel blades effortlessly cut through butter and shortening. It helps you achieve perfect results every time. The broad, soft handle is designed for comfort. It absorbs pressure, making it easy to use for extended periods. You'll find it a pleasure to work with. Made with durable stainless steel, this blender is built to last. It's a reliable tool that will become a staple in your kitchen. You can count on it for years to come. Cleaning up is simple. This tool is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. It's designed to make your life easier. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this tool is a must-have. It simplifies the process of making dough. It's a great addition to any kitchen. What we like. This dough blender features stainless steel blades that easily cut butter and shortening. The broad, soft, non-slip handle absorbs pressure, and it's dishwasher safe. If you are looking for a simple and effective tool, this is a great option. What people say. This stainless steel bladed dough blender and cutter works perfectly for making pastries, biscuits, and pie crusts. The sturdy, sharp blades cut through cold butter easily, and the comfortable handle makes it easy to grip without straining your hand. This dough blender is perfect, the blades are well made, and sturdy. It was very easy to cut the butter into the flour with this blender. The best pastry blender I have owned. It is sturdy and sharp enough to cut even cold butter, which produces the flakiest crusts and biscuits. Number 1. ALLTOP Stainless Steel Baking Tool Set. This set includes a dough blender and a bench scraper. The dough blender helps you blend ingredients, while the scraper measures, cuts, and transfers dough. You can achieve delicious results with less effort. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this set is built to last. The dough blender blades are thicker, and the scraper easily cuts through cold dough. It's designed for lifetime use. Enhance the texture and taste of your baked goods. This tool helps you achieve flakier biscuits and perfect pie crusts. It quickly mixes butter into flour for a better end product. The dough blender can chop fruits, vegetables, or nuts. The scraper cuts brownies, scoops ingredients, and smooths frosting. It's versatile for various kitchen tasks. The handles are comfortable, reducing hand fatigue. This set is dishwasher safe and designed to last. It offers superior functionality and ease of use. What we like. This set includes both a dough blender and a bench scraper, enhancing your baking performance. Crafted for durability with high-quality stainless steel, it ensures a long-lasting experience. If you like to have all the tools in one set, you should consider this. What people say. The cut quality on both of these is very good. They are easy to clean and both perform well. I'm very happy to discover that these are quite sturdy, even when I made a very stiff savory pie crust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.